Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ruby and today I will share with you this beautiful Indian pre-wedding eye makeup look step by step. This makeup look I will show you how to achieve in a very short span of time and in a very easy way. So before we get started, do subscribe to my channel and also keep the notification bell on. So here I am dusting my eyelid. Actually I'm sorry, one of my clip has been deleted by mistake. So here I have concealed my eyes with KRYOLAN Ivory concealer. I will give all the details in my description box. So I have concealed my eyes and now I'm dusting my eyes with KRYOLAN translucent powder. And now I have put a scotch tape on my eyes to give an accurate eye look. And here I am taking Mars eyeshadow palette in color brown with the help of my blending brush. This brush is from PAC and I am only blending on my crease area. This is our crease area, that is what we call as a transition. So this color I will use as my transition and I will go deep till I am satisfied. So I am holding the brush from the very end and I am also doing very light-handedly. So whenever you are doing a transition area or any other area, you have to be very light-handed and you have to pick up the product step by step. Not at one go you have to pick up the product. So this is from PAC palette and I'm picking up this dark choco color and I'll be applying it on my outer V area, as well as I'm dragging that color into my inner V area. As you can see here I have changed the brush. Now I have taken this flat blending brush and I am also dragging it through my crease area. So again this I'm doing very light-handedly, so you have to have a patience while you're doing your eye makeup. So once I'm done doing that, now I'm taking a flat brush and with that help I'm picking up a concealer. This is a KRYOLAN concealer. Any concealer you have, you can use it. So here I'm doing a cut crease. So this cut crease helps us to pops out our eyeshadow. Whichever eyeshadow we put, it gives a different dimension look. So you have to be little patient in that. Just see how I'm creating this cut crease area, cut crease thing. So once you're done cut creasing it, I'm taking this Mars black eyeshadow and I'll be applying it all over my lid. So it might give you a gray effect, which is okay because we have put the concealer underneath. So I'm applying this whole black all over my lid. And here I'm taking PAC shimmer palette and I'm picking up this green metallic color. Okay, this has a little shine in it. So only on the inner eye area I'm applying it. As you can see, with a small flat blending brush I'm doing this. And on my inner corner I'm applying it. And now I'm picking up this golden color and with my help of my finger I'll be applying this golden pigmented color. This is from PAC shimmer. So why I'm using my finger, because it gives a it pigmented well with the fingers. So I'm applying it on my middle area. I'm not going towards my outer V area. So very light-handedly again you have to do that. And I have picked up again the black color because I think we have to put more black color. It has been faded out. So I'm just merging the line between golden and black. Now I'm taking this Maybelline gel black color eyeliner and we get this brush also along with the gel eyeliner. So with the help of this brush I am giving a good eyeline over my eyeliner area. So even if you want to do a dramatic eyeliner, you can give that look also. So I'm giving a very simple and long eyeline look because I have a slanting eyes. So with the scotch tape it is very easily to apply eyeliner also. If you're a beginner, it is very easy for you to do it. So here I have removed my scotch tape. Now you can see how professional it looks. So here I'm picking up this brown color, same brown color for the transition what we have used, and applying it on my lower lash line. Again I'm sorry, the clip where I have put my kajal in my waterline area, that clip has been deleted. So sorry, it's not been deleted, actually it has not been recorded, I was not aware of it. So I have applied that eye kajal on my waterline area. Now I'm putting up this eyelashes. This is from UROPARIS. With UROPARIS glue only I'm putting it. So I have stuck my false eyelashes on my eyelash. So now I am using this. This is the Fashion Factory. It's the name of the brand, the Fashion Factory. You can get it easily from Amazon. This is an shimmer eyeliner, glitter eyeliner I meant to say, and I am applying it on my top of my area, this crease line you can see, but I'm putting it only 3/4 area. I'm not applying it all over my lid. So this step is an optional. You can skip it if you want, but it gives a very beautiful brighten look. And for the highlighter, I'm using Miss Claire number 12 highlighter. This is a hologram highlighter. So applying it on my brow bone area as well as on a tear duct area. This area of ours is called tear duct area. So with the help of my small blending brush, I'm applying it on my tear duct area. So after applying this, now you can see how glowy it looks, the corner of our eyes. So here it is, the final look. So this is a pre-wedding bridal look. You can give it on your client, you can do it on yourself. This gives a very beautiful, in actual it was looking actually very nice. So hope you like this video, and I'm very sorry for the inconvenience because of the clips have not been some of the clips have been deleted, some has not been recorded. I don't know what was doing that, I don't know what was happening that day, but nonetheless I hope you liked my video. Please give a thumbs up and do comment below if you have tried this look, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on. Bye.